You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. In order to change the front ABS sensor on your vehicle, you will need to take off the wheels to have full access. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Toyota Camry safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. Now you need to remove the mudguard. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 6 mudguard retaining screws. Next, using a fork, remove the 6 plastic rivets by prying their central part. You can now remove the mudguard. Turn the brake disc inward to make this operation easier. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the ABS sensor's retaining bolt. Then, remove the sensor by jiggling it back and forth. Return the disc to its original position. Using a fork, unclip the ABS sensor cable from the strut foot. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the ABS sensor cable and brake hose clamp. Then, remove it. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the ABS sensor cable clamp. Next, unclip the ABS sensor cable retaining clip from the body. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new sensor. Then reconnect it. Clip the ABS sensor cable back onto the body. Then put the clamp back onto the body and screw it back on. Put the clamp back onto the strut foot and screw it back on. Clip the ABS sensor cable back onto the strut foot. Insert the sensor into its housing. Then, retighten the retaining bolt. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the mudguard back in place. Then, put the rivets back in place. Tighten the screws.
You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com.
Then, you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheel in place. Operation complete.